Hi, always wanted to know about owner and seller financing and learn how you can buy properties with little to no money down? Well, WREN has you covered. Here at the Women's Real Estate Network, we recently did a 5-module training covering everything you need to know about owner and seller financing. In fact, we start out in our overview by going through exactly what is owner financing, the basics that you need to know, all the different various forms of owner financing, and why you would use owner financing to kind of help you get a foundational training to be able to move on to the next modules. In Module 2, we cover lease options. Module 3 is all about wraparound mortgages. Module 4, seller carrybacks and how to use them. In Module 5, we take things up a notch, get a little more advanced, and teach you all about cross-collateralizing. Wow, it's an incredible training. It's 5 modules delivered in 60-minute type webinar style training, and it's super in-depth, gives you everything that you need to know, including where to find the deals, how to use the deals. It gives you the forms that you need to get started and helps you really just create a business where you can buy properties with little to no money down. So if you want to move forward, I encourage you to go over to the page and take a look at an in-depth list of everything that's included in the training.